Hey everyone, this is Ayman and today we're back with a new video for the stock trading simulator series. But before I go there, I wanted to tell you that we've launched a huge update to the simulator, and right now when you go into the main page of the stock trading simulator series, you will see this landing page. Everyone now is allowed to sign in or sign up into the stock trading simulator series, open a personal account, and the good thing about this is that right now your settings will be saved. We get a lot of feedback from people saying that every time they restart the page, every time they choose a different stock or reset the time of the trading day, the settings either disappear or they have to change the colors again, add the indicators again, and it was taking some time. So right now everyone can just simply either log in with a Google account or create an account. What I'm going to do around here is I'll log in with my Google account, ayman@beatabletraders.com. Get me in. Not the best idea. Come on. There it is. Cool. So, and you will get into this page. This page is just you are familiar with it. It's the same as it was before. 2 time frames, indicators that you have you can add are there to the left. One thing which is new around here is that now you can stretch or expand the chart. If you want to pay more attention to the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute chart, or maybe zoom out more the daily chart to study it closer and have more data on the daily chart without having the candle squished, you could just simply expand the chart and you will see bigger time frame right there. Because when you make it smaller, it gets a little bit squishy and it's a little bit more difficult to read. So this is the main thing right there. Right now, when you add any settings, remove any settings, they'll be saved, and there will be a lot more of personalized settings that and updates that you will be able to use in the future. And now let's go back to the trade. I want to talk to you about a trade I didn't take, and it was on 24th of February on Apple. It's a trade that I missed because I didn't pay so much attention to the daily chart on Apple. There is Apple the daily. There is Apple the 60. And looking at it around here, this way, let's get back. There it is. On the 23rd of February, war started, unfortunately, and the market gap down, sold off. And the next day, you could see that there is a huge gap down here on Apple. And looking at the daily chart this way and looking at the 60-minute chart this way, you see nothing. And when I took a look at Apple, I told myself, hey, it's a little bit difficult. We already gapped down too much. I want to play to the long side, but I can't see clear level to play to the long side. And the 60 looks a little bit weak, so I'll just avoid it. I skipped it, I deleted it from my watch list, and I moved on. Then I see one of the members that I'm mentoring sending me a message and told me, oh, Ayman, I actually executed a trade that you are always explaining on Apple to the long side. And I told him, what did you see there? I mean, I went through Apple and I didn't like it. There was literally nothing there that would have told me that the stock looks long today. And then I opened Apple, I zoomed out, and that is the part that I actually missed. And this is why you need to have the chart zoomed out to see all the levels, to see the bigger picture more clear. Now you see that there is a bottoming phase on Apple around here, or actually a topping phase on Apple around here, and a range that it held back in November. That range was broken, and today, or recently, the stock has been selling off, and today it gapped down, or on 24th of February, it gapped down more than the ATR. You see this, from 159 to 152, when the ATR on Apple is somewhere around $5, which tells us that the move to the short side is already done. Now we're sitting around a support. Plus, this previous resistance that's acting now as support is also a 200 moving average, 200 SMA. 200 moving average, strong moving average. A lot of swing traders are doing this. When the stock goes into the 50 or to the 200, they buy it and they set one ATR below it as a stop, which is why the stock, just to be safe in case tweaks. We are not swing traders, we are day traders. We know that there is an interest for swing traders around here, and now we need to find a tighter stop or a better entry before we jump into the stock to the long side. Let's go to the smaller time frames, which is the 1 minute chart and the 5 minute chart. You could see that in the pre-market, the stock already started respecting that level that we have marked. It's getting bought from back there with increasing volume. It's getting bought back again with Hammer with slightly increasing volume in the pre-market. and if you play it later at the open, you see that it's dropping down and it's getting bought. You see how it's ticking up? It's ticking up more than it's ticking down at increasing speed. Just to save some time, you could see that it's getting sold, but again it gets bought back up, which tells us that this is actually a good stock to play today to the long side. You could play it at 10 times speed maybe, just to save some time. That is the beautiful entry around the level after the confirmation candle. On the 5-minute chart, it also sold off. It is parabolic. If you want to play it safe, you could take some partial closer to the pre-market high, because you never know what could happen. Or not pre-market high, this pre-market level. You never know. I mean, overall, it still got down a lot, right? The 60 still looked weak, and it could just simply reject it and dump down all the way to the pre-market low and lower. So to be safe, lock in some profits and then hold it for a bit longer. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is a trade that unfortunately I missed. I played it in the replay just to see if it could have actually offered me an entry if I was watching it real time, and I said actually it would have done that. You can't watch the whole market, you can't catch all the opportunities, but we can learn from our mistakes, and that's something that I thought I would share with you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channels. Your comments are always appreciated, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me, ayman@variabletraders.com. Have a great day and a great weekend, everyone, and bye bye.